तालीमी एजाज़ात सेक्रेटरी तालीम साहिबा रिपोर्ट।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Most respected Huzur, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We very humbly request Huzur to award the following members of Lajna Imaullah, United Kingdom, for achieving academic excellence. Huzur, first we present before you those candidates who have achieved excellence in the General Certificate of Secondary Education Examinations. Atika Hafiz from Islamabad Masjid, 5 A stars and 6 A's. Nurul Iman Buttar from Stockport Majlis, 8 A stars and 1 A. Nudrat Ahmed from Hartlepool Majlis, 10 A stars and 1 A. Adila Ahmed from Birmingham Central Masjid for 6 A stars and 4 A's. Amtul Musawwar Zafri from Cheam Majlis, 5 A stars and 6 A's. Amaria Saman Amin from New Malden Majlis, 5 A stars and 7 A's. Aisha Ahmed from Deer Park Majlis, 8 A stars and 3 A's. Adiba Mahmood from Fazal Mosque Majlis, 7 A stars and 6 A's. Naima Huma Khan from Roehampton Majlis, 7 A stars and 5 A's. Muqaddas Nawaz from Tootingbeck Majlis for 9 A stars and 2 A's. Faiza Chima Faiza Chima from Norbury Majlis, 8 A stars and 2 A's. Tuba Khokar from Cambridge Majlis, 7 A stars and 5 A's. Iman Ansar from Central Birmingham Majlis for 9 A stars and 2 A's. Mashal Huda from Liverpool Majlis, 8 A stars and 1 A. Shanza Khan from Hayes Majlis for 7 A stars and 3 A's. Huzur, we now present those students who have achieved high grades in their advanced level examinations. Hajira Iftikhar from Manchester East Majlis, 1 A star and 2 A's. Arusa Malik from Birmingham Central Majlis for 4 A's. Maria Ahmed from Oxford Majlis, 1 A star and 3 A's. Sidra Waheed from Shirley Majlis, 4As. Sumaira Ambar Khan from New Malden Majlis, 4As. Basma Ikram from Tooting Majlis, 1A star and 3As. Tubatul Ijaz Ahmed from Clapham Majlis, 1A star and 2As. Naila Tasneem from Worcester Park Majlis, 2A stars and 1A. Huzur, we now present before you those graduates who have achieved outstanding results in their degrees and postgraduate qualifications. Maliha Mansoor from Hayes Majlis, MBBS with distinction from Imperial College, London. Amina Kaleem Sayyed from Purley Majlis, BSc First Class Honours in Computer Science and Multimedia from Queen Mary, University of London. Sara Sayyed from Luton Majlis, BSc First Class Honours in Forensic Science and recipient of the Colin Merrill Prize awarded to the top graduating student from Bedfordshire University. Varda Gul Ahmed from Glasgow Majlis, MSc in Marketing with distinction and best student in cohort from Glasgow Caledonian University. Nadia Buragba from West Hill Majlis, MA with distinction in Applied Translation awarded by London Metropolitan University. Dr. Rabia Ahmed, Epsom and Ewell Majlis, PhD in Neuroscience from Roehampton University. Noshaba Batul from Norbury Majlis, PhD in Human Resource Management from Middlesex University. Dr. Aisha Nusrat Jahan Malik from Rains Park Majlis for Fellowship of the Royal College of Ophthalmologists. With Huzur's permission, we now present our international candidates to receive award for academic achievements from their respective countries. Atiyatur Rahman, Dr. Atiyatur Rahman for PhD in Pharmacy from Shenyang Pharmaceutical University, China. Javeria Abdul from France, LLM in French and EU law with distinction and overall second-class position. She's not here. Komal Fatima, her mother is collecting her award for her, from Pakistan. BBA honors from Federal Urdu University of Islamabad, first position. Nusrat Jahan Chaudhary from Spain for degree in Engineering and Computer Science with distinction from Cordoba University. Noran Rahman from Pakistan for O-levels, 10 A's from Cambridge University Examination Board. Her mother is collecting on her behalf. Fozia Kore from Ghana, LLM in Energy Law and Policy, also MBA in International Oil and Gas Management from University of Dundee. Madiha Obaid from UAE, BBA in Entrepreneurship at Amity College, Amity University, Dubai. Shehla Noman Talpur from Bristol, Bachelor's in Engineering in Electronics, second position in the final year from Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Rabia Hamid for BSc Honours Chemistry, Lahore, first position, and also for MSc in Chemistry, first position from Lahore College of Women, Pakistan. Maria Haroon, MCom in Business in Banking and Finance from University of Central Punjab, Pakistan. Aisha Javed from Lahore, Pakistan, 9 A's at O levels from Oxford University Examination Board. Jazakallah Huzur. Javeria Abdul from France, is she here in the audience? Javeria Abdul from France.